cloudy through Wednesday. Low Saturday night.
They're on display, so they won't actually alert.
Could result in the formation of frost, especially across the Piedmont. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will likely be needed this morning. The air quality forecast for Thursday in the Triangle area is 40, or code green. Air quality is expected to be good, with the primary pollutant.
Tornado watch, 6-hour code.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 132, effective until 1 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Greene, Harnett, Johnston, Nash, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the latest weather synopsis.
Tornado watch, 6-hour event.
Will cross the region this morning.
Let's see how this goes.